A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings. So, maybe you are suffer through some terrible something because you decide to do what God tell you to do, or you decide to go where God send you to go, or you decide to say what God say you to say. But take heart and listen, because God go encourage your heart. So no matter give up, just go on hold strong and keep on doing what God tell you to do. Anyway, today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 23, from verse 1 to verse 11. Paul looked straight upon the leader them and said to them, say, my brother, all of my life up to today, me live right, and my conscience now go bother me when me turn up in front of God. When him said that, Ananias, the leader of the priest them, ordered the man them with the turn up there for box Paul by the mouth. Then Paul said to him, say, gotta go strike you down, your whitewash wall, you sit down there like one judge where do what the law say. But you broke the law and I ordered them for box me. The man them with the turn upside of him asked him, say, are the leader for God priest them you chat to so? Paul answer say, my brother, I never know say him are the leader for the priest them. Cause it right down in a God word say. You know, for chat bad about the ruler for your people. But when Paul says some of them added Sadducee and some of them added Pharisee, him shout out in at the meeting, my brother, me I want Pharisee, and my father I want Pharisee too. Because me believe that dead people are going to come back alive. Make them a judge me. When him said this, the Pharisee and the Sadducee them start quarreling amongst them one another. So the group split up in a two. Because the Sadducee them say, nobody can dead and come back alive. No angel no there, or no spirit no there. But the Pharisee them believe in all of them sitting there. The Sadducee them and the Pharisee them shout off of one another louder and louder till some of the law teacher from the Pharisee group get up and talk trang. And one of them say, we not find nothing wrong with the man here. Suppose I want spirit, I want angel did talk to him for true. When the quarrel get really bad, the head for 1,000 soldiers getting afraid because he thinks them would have tear up Paul. So he ordered his soldier them to go down, go take away Paul from amongst them and carry him back in at the soldier camp. The next night, the Lord turn upside of Paul and tell him, say, take heart, cause same or you tell the Jerusalem people them about me, I same so you have to go tell the people them in a Rome about me too. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.